Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to be working with a feature in the OS module, but I realized that there are a couple features that are prerequisites to that. So we're gonna mess around with the time module. We're gonna do 2 in a row, and then we'll pick back up on our OS. So all right. I will put the time module video. We haven't done much with it because there's just so much that we still need to learn. But I'll put that right here in front of my face. So, okay, import time. So before we can really mess with time, the Epoch point. So like I've talked about, computers need a starting point. So think about when we're incrementing. We have to tell the program where we're going to increment from. We just can't declare a variable and say start counting. We have to give it a starting point. Well, time is no different. So I'm not going to bore you with what it is. I'm going to show you how to find it. So all right, there is on your system, whatever it is, there is a point, the epoch point, and it is where time is calculated, from which point is calculated. And with Python, there is a way you don't have to wonder. It's the Gmtime method, and it is as simple as this. Actually, let's run this. I'll just show it to you. Help.time.gm time. Oops. Slide this over. So boom. Convert seconds since epoch time. Now, this is how you tabulate it. So if you do, bring this back over here. All right. So if you do print time.gm time with, this is important, so you give it seconds. It's basically going to calculate from your time. So if you give it 0 arguments, you get now. You get the now. So, but if you give it 0, you get GM time. Oops, forgot another parenthesis. You get what its epoch time is. This is the standard one. So now we know. It is January. Let's see the month. January 1 of 1970 at midnight. That's the standard, but now you know how to find it on whichever system you're on with Python. This method right here, and we're going to tack one more on, and then we'll get back with our OS module. But we're going to really start doing more with time, because time series and time zones. Time zones can be the bane of your existence. It can be very challenging. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, little watermark straight down, and the notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.